Gambling, lotteries, get-rich-quick schemes. They promise everything and often deliver nothing, except stress, addiction, and regret. But what does the Bible actually say about these things? Today, we're breaking down the truth about gambling and the pursuit of quick wealth and why it matters for your spiritual life. God's view on wealth. God is not against wealth, but He is against the love of money and the desire to gain it dishonestly or foolishly. Key scripture, 1 Timothy 6 verse 10. For the love of money is the root of all kinds of evil. Proverbs 28 verse 20. A faithful person will be richly blessed, but one eager to get rich will not go unpunished. The problem isn't having money, it's how we pursue it and what place it takes in our heart. What's wrong with gambling and lotteries? While the Bible doesn't mention slot machines or scratch-offs by name, it does address the heart and habits behind gambling. 1. It encourages greed, not stewardship. Luke 12 verse 15. Watch out. Be on your guard against all kinds of greed. 2. It replaces trust in God with luck. Instead of working diligently and trusting God's provision, gambling promotes dependence on chance. 3. It harms families and communities. The cycle of addiction, debt, and broken relationships is real. Proverbs 21 verse 5. The plans of the diligent lead to profit as surely as haste leads to poverty. The false hope of quick wealth. The lottery sells hope, but it's false hope. Most winners lose everything within a few years. Quick wealth doesn't build character. It often exposes weakness. Scripture says, Proverbs 13 verse 11, dishonest money dwindles away, but whoever gathers money little by little makes it grow. Ecclesiastes 5 verse 10, whoever loves money never has enough. God's way is better. God's plan for financial success is rooted in hard work. Proverbs 10 verse 4. Wise stewardship. Matthew 25 verses 14 to 30. Generosity. 2 Corinthians 9 verses 7 to 11. Trust in Him, not the lottery. Proverbs 3 verses 5 to 6. Instead of chasing luck, God calls us to walk in wisdom, faithfulness, and purpose. What to do if you struggle with gambling? Acknowledge the struggle. You're not alone. Pray and seek God's help. He gives strength and deliverance. Get accountability or counseling if needed. Replace gambling with godly habits, budgeting, saving, giving, working with excellence. Key verse, 1 Corinthians 10 verse 13, God is faithful. He will not let you be tempted beyond what you can bear. At the heart of gambling and quick wealth is a deeper question. Who do you trust to provide for you? God or chance? God's path may not be instant, but it's eternal. It builds character, peace, and true prosperity. If this message challenged or encouraged you, hit like, subscribe for more biblical truth, and share this with someone who needs clarity on this topic. Comment below, what stood out to you most about God's view on wealth and gambling?